I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Good morning, Decatur High School. Today is Thursday, and these are your announcements. Any girl wanting to run, jump, or throw for the DHS women's track and field team, please stop by A225 and let Coach Park know. Don't come today, though, because Coach Park is not here, and he needs your sizes. Sophomores and juniors, if you would like to attend a college fair during the school day on Friday, January 26th from 9 to 11 in Fort Worth, please come to the first floor office and pick up a permission slip. The first 100 students to sign up will be allowed to attend. Attention all NHS members, please turn in your required service hour documentation to your assigned sponsor by tomorrow. You need 4 hours if you are a junior and 10 hours if you are a senior. Students who would like a new calendar or planner for the spring semester, see Miss Russell in 235 or Miss Johnson in the first floor office. Students, if you plan to attend the Fort Worth Stock Show on Monday, free admission tickets are available in the first and second floor offices. And boys track and field will start after school on Wednesday, January 17th. Meet at the track no later than 4 o'clock. Football players will start track at 6:45 a.m. on Tuesday morning. See Coach Wren in room 212 if you have any questions. And we are on convocation schedule today. Now for sports with Crazy Colin.
Okay, cool. That's my brother right there. You dig? Dexter. Oh, wait. Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move.
Freshman basketball at the Pista Tournament and girls soccer at X-Town Shootout in Saginaw at 6:15. Congrats to the ladies and boys soccer team getting the dub last night.
Now for Coach Anderson's 2 cents.
And remember, DHS, time doesn't change you, you change yourself. That's my 2 cents for today. Have a great day. Go soccer, go basketball.
Happy birthday, Coach G, and have a great day.
Have a great day, Coach G, and happy 30th birthday.
Throw that ball up in the air like I don't really care. Running down the field like I don't really care. Score touchdowns out every player. We ballin' every year. Got haters in Decatur, but I don't.